everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a killer 1985 GMC Sierra Classic short bed pickup truck. Love this truck, guys. Just drove it this morning. Man, this thing is nice. Hits the road great. It is a fresh restoration. The truck was just completed a year ago. It's got a 2.4 drop kit, so they've gone through the suspension on it. It's got a 350 crate engine with a Holley EFI, 700 R4. This truck's built to cruise, man. Just a great color combination. All new interior. I mean, if you're looking for a square body truck, these things are as hot as can be. It's a great truck. I don't know if you can get a better color combination. I love that black with the red. It's got a killer set of US chrome mags on it. It's got, I love the cowl hood. Killer interior. Like I said, they just redid all that. You can see they updated the headlights, new bumpers. I mean, it is a cool truck. Not a whole lot to nitpick. A couple little dings in your trim there you can see. New bumpers. That's just something that'll come off. That's just something. Slick paint. Love that interior on it. It's brand new. Dual chrome mirrors. Sorry about the dust and everything getting blown around, but it's just that time of year. It's got the rear sliding glass. They redid the bed into this Rhino coat, which is really nice. It makes the beds very usable for lawn chairs, when you're at the car show, coolers, stuff like that. Killer truck, man. I love that black with red. Great color combination. Truck's got a great stance. All new rubber, new wheels all the way around it. Tennessee truck. This trim and stuff is really nice on it. Power front disc brakes. Again, this is a 350 cubic inch crate engine. It's got a Holley EFI fuel injection kit on it. Really nice set of ceramic headers. It's the standard intake on it. Get its power steering, power front disc brakes. Does have air blows ice cold. 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Good truck. And like I say, nice and tight, man. It really drove good. We have terrible roads up here, so when you get in something like this and drive it, and it hits a bump, and it just doesn't bang and clang all around, that impresses me. I like the cowl hood. Dual chrome mirrors. Looks like new door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. Power windows, power locks, they work. All new interior. Tilt column. Love the old style sport wheel. Again, this is brand new, very nicely done, comfortable. Headliner looks great. Again, I like the old school sports steering wheel. Showing 40,000 miles. I'm sure that's 140, but they say there's very few miles on the truck since it was redone. Retrosounds radio. That's your, you can see all new dash pad. That's really nice. That's a little thing that you slide in your ashtray for your cold drinks, your coffee in the morning. You guys have probably heard me say that before. I'm a coffee drinker. I love to get out in an old car and cruise in the morning. And so I have those in almost everything I've got. It's got a chrome drive shaft in it. Like I say, they've gone all through the suspension. Stock 12-bolt rear end. Very clean underneath, guys. It's a nice truck. And door seams are nice and clean. How nice that dash pad. Oh, the little, what do you call this? Stick's coming off. Make sure you get a little more glue on the back of that. Like I say, it's fresh. Got a little console, that's pretty cool. It runs strong. Cold air. Good sound. Good looking truck. Good looking truck. Got power windows work, locks work. It's really much with the fuel gauge up there. Good sounding dual exhaust. Backup lights work. Blower motor works. Everything opens and closes nice. Wipers are functional. Again, they've upgraded the headlights, which is pretty cool. Put your turn signals in the grill. Just little custom touches, pretty cool. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Love that color combo.